Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Zelle to transfer money between banks. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zelle account, which of course I have done right here. What's Zelle? Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back or split the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account. And when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. So now that we know a bit of what Zelle is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to use Zelle to transfer money between banks. So here is how it works. To set up Zelle, all you need is a bank account. Okay, so you can access the service either through your financial institution's mobile app or website or through Zelle directly. You can enroll using your email address or phone number. This will be the information other users will need to send you money. If your bank doesn't have Zelle integrated yet, you'll need to sign up directly through Zelle and also provide information for the debit card you would like to use to make and receive payment. After setting up your payments method, this is how you can now transfer money between banks. Once you have set up a Zelle account, you can start sending money to other Zelle users. Here's how the process works. Number one, enter the recipient's phone number or email address. So first, you need to input information associated with the recipient's Zelle account. You'll be prompted to do that. Make sure the recipient is someone you know and trust. And if you authorize a payment and later realize you have been scammed, you might not be able to get your money back. Number two, after entering the recipient's phone number and address, the next step is to enter the transaction amount. So you'll be prompted to enter how much you want to send. Make sure that the amount falls within the transaction limit established by your financial institution. Then send the money. Review the transaction details. You can see another window where you can now review the transaction details. So review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Note that you can only cancel a payment if the user you sent money to hasn't signed up for Zelle. Otherwise, the payment will go straight to the recipient's bank account and can't be reversed rather. So this is how you can transfer money between banks. Just go through the process, enter the recipient's phone number and email address, enter the transaction amount, and review the transaction details, and the money is going to go straight into the user's bank account. So with Zelle, you're able to integrate your bank, into Zelle. And from that bank, you can now transfer money to somebody else and it's going to go directly into the recipient's bank account. So it's simple and it's easy this way. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.